Welcome back to Disney Theory. I know why you're here and you know why I'm here. We're here today to talk about the Emerald City Comic Con exclusive Funko Pops that I got. Now I know the last time I talked about the convention, the Comic Con convention thing, it was a little depressing video. I still feel that way. But the ones that I did get, they came in today. So that brings me a little glimmer of happiness. As some of you know, I love stickers, and I love the different types of exclusive stickers that they are. I might even do a ranking video on like the best stickers to the worst stickers. And if you want to see that, let me know in the comments. But I'm gonna do it anyways. So, yeah. Anyways, out of I think the probably 10 or so that I originally ordered, I only got 5. So today we're gonna look at the 5, and I'm gonna be telling you what's going on with all those, and one of those I'm actually gonna put on my store at shopdisney.com. I have a lot of other things that I've actually been wanting to sell on my shopdisneytheory.com, like my hand-painted phone cases and stuff like that. I might start getting back into that once I have everything all settled into the new house. So watch out for that, you know. Anyways, we're gonna get into this. Oh, right. So first off, we got this cool looking Deadpool with bunny pants. But yeah, this is the Deadpool that I got. I really like the stickers. I think the stickers on these ones are a lot better than the previous year's Emerald City Comic Con. That's just my thought. It just looks cool. Next up, one that this is one that I actually was excited to get. So I did get one that I actually, well, let's see, I got 3. So 3 out of these 5 are ones that I actually genuinely wanted. The other ones were just kind of like ones I kind of wanted, and then the one that I'm putting on my store, actually the main purpose of that was to put onto my store. So anyways, we got Belle right here. She's just reading a book like Belle does. So there's Belle reading her little book. So yeah, this is one that I was actually pretty excited to get, because you know the name Disney Theory. I gotta collect Disney figures. I love Disney figures. All right. This next one was one that I actually was really excited to get too. And it looks awesome. Okay? It looks freaking awesome. We got a zombie Morbius right here. Kids, take a look. Looks cool, if I do say so myself. This is going right in my Marvel Zombies collection that I have quite a bit of. Let's see, how many do I have of Marvel Zombies? 1, 2. I've got 11 of them. And that's not all. That's not all of them out there. I would like all of them, but that's not all. Anyways, all right, there he is. Looks pretty freaking awesome. All right, next up, this is another one that I wanted. So this is the third one, and it looks great in person. So there we go. Take a gander, because it looks sick. So we got Tornado Lady. All right, so there she is with her little tornado hands and legs. This looks really cool in person. really cool. So what's kind of interesting about this pop is, so the tornadoes on her hands are actually just like the resin or whatever they use is actually yellow, and that's it. But on her feet, they decided to use the yellow resin, and then they also kind of sloppily painted over it with yellow. So it looks kind of weird. So here we go. Taking it out of the box. No damage done. Nothing. Got her. Love the smell of new Funko Pops in the morning. Okay, so here we go. Here she is. And as you can see, her little tornadoes right here are just yellow. But if you look closely, try not to get my face in it, but if you look closely, you can see these are kind of just, I guess, sloppily painted. I don't know if you can really, trying to get as close as I can. There we go. Yeah, so if you can see that, it's just kind of sloppily painted. But regardless, it is still a super cool pop. Now, this last Funko Pop is one that I'm actually going to be putting up on my store for you guys. So it is Dead Man. He's dead. Yeah, so as a lot of you know, I don't collect DC. Or at least I try not to, I guess. I'm not really into DC, but I bought this one specifically because I know a lot of my followers do like DC, and I wanted to give you guys a DC Pop limited edition Comic Con exclusive kind of thing for you guys. So there he is right there. There he is in all of his glory, I guess. But yeah, this will be available on my store. I should be posting it soon-ish, probably like the day after this video comes out, I guess. But yes, those were my 5 Comic-Con Funko Pops that I got from Funko. Still a little bitter that I didn't get the Tommy 2-pack. That's what we're calling it, Tommy 2-pack. That was like my main one that I really wanted, and I missed out on it. And now it's like $70. Still makes me cry at night. Anyways, my battery's running out, so that means it is time to go. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for being here. I love you. And don't forget to check out shopdisney.com. I'll be posting things on there and such.